Here is one of the great secrets to picking guitar strings with a plectrum and keeping everything flowing without stopping. I'm going to use REM's Everybody Hurts picking pattern as an example of this. It looks like this. And if you watch the last note, when I didn't just pick it, it was measured to just over the 4th string because that's the next one I'm looking for down. So I'm not just picking notes here, I'm actually measuring exactly to where the next string needs to be. I'm not just doing that and then looking for this and looking for this. But the most important one to measure is the very last note of the sequence. That's measured, so I'm ready to go straight from here. But watch the difference when I do the second sequence of these. Now again I've picked, but the plectrum has measured up to the 6th because I need that string to keep the G going. So it's not just picking the string, it's picking and measuring to the next string that's needed. Otherwise you will have something like this. And then you have to go looking for the next string before you can start playing it. This is one of the great invisible skills that all the great players do subconsciously. So I'm just pointing it out to you here. It doesn't take much at all to develop that, but if there's a block in your guitar playing, this is what's causing it. You need to measure your pick, particularly on the last note, because the first note on the different chords changes. You'll see the G is the 6th, the D is the 4th. Now, so here I'll do 2 Gs. Sorry, I'll do that G again. Now, so I picked that 3rd string straight up to this, so I'm ready to go again. But I picked this 3rd string just over the 4th because I want the D this time. And you can't see it if it's not pointed out to you, but that's how it's actually done. The last note is picked in the direction or as close as possible to the next string you need. I call that measured picking, and we have unblocked many guitar players over the years just with that, just purely being aware of this.